Hey guys, Jason here with ACS. Got a couple little quick tips for you. Most AC units have a drain on them. They create condensation. That condensation has to leave your house. It's going outside most of the time. Sometimes it goes into a pump, which pumps it out. Sometimes it's a gravity drain. Most of the time, you're going to see a P-trap. You see here on this air handler, this one comes out, you got a P-trap, goes into the drain, we take it outside. The reason why that's there is this is on the negative airflow side of the unit. It's sucking air. If we don't stop that air from getting through the drain line, then the drain will never actually drain, right? So that's why that's there. Some of you have asked us in the past, well, if that's what stops up, then why is that there? Let's just take it out. Well, you're causing another issue. It will not drain whatsoever because it'll just suck air through that. Most of the time, we can pour a little bit of Clorox in there. We can hit it with our vacuum cleaner. Sometimes if it's really bad, we might have to cut into it and run a brush through it. Sometimes we actually have to replace them. We actually try to use these. We like these right here. These are clear P-traps. We can upgrade you to this. That way you can see if this is getting dirty. Sometimes, you know, if you can see that, that might be something that you can do yourself. Hit it with a little brush, pour some Clorox in there. Maybe you hit it with a shop vac. You can take the cap off of this, put your shop vac right there, sucks it right out. If this is clear, you can actually see what you're doing. So if that's something you're interested in, give us a call. Otherwise, that's a quick tip right there that you may be able to save yourself some money and do it yourself before you have to call us out. If this is not your problem, if you check that out and this is clear, there may be something else. Scroll down through the video list. We may have a solution for you. Save yourself some money.